Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about starting a career in Shopify Dropshipping. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding dropshipping and setting up your Shopify store. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory, dropshipping might be the perfect fit for you. In simple terms, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't need to keep products in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to your customer. This model has gained immense popularity in the e-commerce world due to its low startup costs and minimal risk. In this video, we aim to guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your Shopify dropshipping journey. We'll cover everything from setting up your store to finding reliable suppliers. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere, making it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. So let's dive in and explore how you can turn your dropshipping dreams into reality. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a unique business model that allows retailers to sell products without holding any inventory. Unlike traditional retail, where a store purchases products upfront and manages stock, dropshipping enables you to list items for sale on your online store without ever physically handling them. When a customer places an order, you simply purchase the product from a supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. In this model, there are three key players: suppliers, retailers, and customers. Suppliers provide the products, retailers market and sell them, and customers make the purchases. This streamlined process reduces overhead costs and minimizes risk for retailers. However, success in dropshipping hinges on choosing the right products and reliable suppliers. Selecting trending or niche products can significantly impact your sales, while partnering with trustworthy suppliers ensures timely delivery and quality service. By understanding these dynamics, you can effectively navigate the dropshipping landscape and build a thriving online business. Setting up your Shopify store. Creating your Shopify store is an exciting first step in your dropshipping journey. To get started, visit the Shopify website and sign up for an account. You'll need to choose a plan that fits your budget and business goals. Shopify offers various options, including a free trial to help you explore the platform. Once you're signed up, it's time to customize your store's design and layout. Shopify provides a range of themes that you can modify to reflect your brand's identity. Focus on selecting colors, fonts, and images that resonate with your target audience. A well-designed store not only attracts customers, but also builds trust. To enhance your store's functionality, consider integrating essential apps and tools. Popular options include Oberlo for product sourcing, MailChimp for email marketing, and various analytics tools to track your performance. These resources will help streamline your operations and improve the overall shopping experience for your customers. Let's get your store up and running. Finding profitable products. Selecting the right products to sell in your dropshipping store is crucial for success. One effective strategy is to utilize product sourcing tools like Oberlo and Spocket. These platforms allow you to browse a wide range of products, making it easier to find items that align with your store's theme and target audience. They also provide insights into supplier reliability and shipping times, which are essential for maintaining customer satisfaction. Analyzing market trends and customer demand is another key aspect of product selection. Use tools like Google Trends and social media platforms to identify what's currently popular and what consumers are searching for. This data can guide you in choosing products that are more likely to sell. Additionally, consider exploring niche markets. Focusing on a specific niche can lead to better profitability, as you'll face less competition and cater to a dedicated audience. By combining these strategies, you can effectively find profitable products that will drive your dropshipping business forward. Marketing your store. Driving traffic to your Shopify store is essential for boosting sales, and effective marketing strategies can make all the difference. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook allow you to showcase your products visually, engage with potential customers, and build a community around your brand.